Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to see who did not accept your friend request on Instagram. So simply in order to do this, first of all open your Instagram app, and after that simply log into your app. And now when you log into your account, simply just as you can see the profile icon here, simply just click here. After that on the top right side you can see three bars, so simply just click on these three bars. And now here you can see your activity option. So just what you need to do next, simply click on your activity, and after that here you will see all the options. So just here you will find who did not accept your friend request. So there is another way, just go to settings, and after that just simply go to accounts. And now here check on review activity. So here you will also find that who did not accept your friend request on Instagram. So in this way you can check who did not accept your friend request on Instagram.